Hi guys! So tonight we're gonna do behind the TV outlet so you can see the cables. I'm gonna cut a hole in this drywall here. Don't press down when you do this, just let it go by itself. Just push it back and forth. And if you add a piece of paper beneath, it's gonna be easier to clean. Make sure you're perpendicular to the wall, okay? Don't go this way, left or right. So that's enough. A little bit more. Right? Let's try to not let it fall inside. There you go. Two different depths, right? I can use this guy. There you go. This is my behind the TV outlet. So now I'm just gonna fix this with anchors on that drywall behind, and pull some wire, some AC wire like this here, and we got an outlet behind our TV. Thank you for watching.